Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a brand new rear entry, wheelchair accessible conversion. Easy to operate, low cost to maintain. It's all manual. I raised the trunk latch here. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip, and I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. Check that out. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries, so for bigger chairs, you want to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this might be the answer for you. Now, if someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. And the rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. So a few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell side entry, we do sell full size. We even have some trucks and SUVs from time to time. If you don't see it on our website, give me a call. We might have it coming in, or I guarantee I can find it for you. We got the 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then 56, or once you're inside the van, does taper down to about 32 inches of width here where the ramp sets. And this is a deep cut. This will hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. That's why it's got the 8 tie-down ovals. We throw in the Q strengths. Those are high dollar. A lot of our competition are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge to you. And you can also see we got the gurney kit here. This is for hauling the gurneys, the stretchers. That make this thing a money maker. So if you don't need this, we can take it out no problem. And to go from wheelchair to gurney, you got to undo those little knobs there. You can have these parts taken out in a matter of seconds. Go back and forth, gurney, wheelchair. You know, for your business, you can make that money. Got your spare tire down back there. Got about 24 inches of room between these seats. We can even put a third row seat in here that flips up and down when it's not in use if you need. So a lot of flexibility in this vehicle, especially if you're using it for business. Got your Q-strength tie down and warranty information there. Plug-ins for all your electronics. Got all your cup holders there and everything. Dual climate control rear air. Got your backup camera there. You can sync up your phone if you need to. Great safety features there. Keep your eyes on the road. Got your dash, looks great. No cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. And when you exit the vehicle, just simply reverse the process and you are ready to go. Now, our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Our competition is going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do. That's fine, that's what they get paid to say, but I want you to ask them what their warranty is. Some are no warranty, some are 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some are 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare those warranties to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty, and you tell me who has the better built conversion. As I do a walk around of the van, you can see it's very clean. Got the tinted windows. Our tires are about 8/32, so they're not brand new, but they still have a lot of tread left on them. Probably 19,000 miles on them like the rest of this van. And hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you it's perfect, but it's sure not far from it. Very nice, very clean van. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your wheelchair accessible vans. How we do it is very simple. We're right in the middle of the country. That's how we do free shipping. It's going to save you money. We have one location. I want you to compare that to the overhead a lot of our competitors have with 5, 10, 50, 100 locations. Imagine all their overhead every month. Millions of dollars more in overhead a month than we have. We have myself and 6 other employees. We produce all these vans. We've got over 70 vans on the lot. That's how we save you money. No matter who you do business with, get a video of the VIN number. A lot of scammers out there taking pictures off my website. They're cutting out my sign up there, putting a van like this on the line for $15,000 with a $1,000 deposit. They're trying to scam you. They can't scam you if you tell them to get a video of this VIN number. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. This is showing you I've got this van right here. They couldn't do this because they don't have that sticker, because they don't have the van. Protect yourself. Get a video of that VIN number. All right, what we do with that VIN number, we run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see Carfax shows 1 owner, no accident or damage. It's got the former commercial vehicle. I like that. It means they've been adult driven, they've been well maintained. I really look for these commercial vehicles. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a 1 owner, clean title, no accidents, former corporate vehicle. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reputation and reviews. Find us on eBay. Look at us, 1,568 transactions. Sorry, my screen's jumping around. 1,568 transactions, 100% positive feedback. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, look them up on Google. Make sure they are a real company. I see our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, and make sure the company has a handful of reviews. People can create a fake Google, get 3 or 4 reviews on there to make you think they're real. Make sure they got at least 50 to verify that they are an actual real business, not a scammer. And I hear horror stories all the time about people buying wheelchair vans from the general public or a dealer, with the 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews instead of the 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a vehicle that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't told about, major mechanical issues they weren't notified of, like a bad engine or bad transmission, or they end up buying a stolen vehicle. Yes, there are people out there selling stolen vehicles. It's a dirty business. So if you want 1 and 2 and 3 star experience, you go ahead and deal with the general public and those low end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years now, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. We got 2 keys, 2 fobs here. Got the keyless entry on this van. As I enter the van, it's very clean. I am a non-smoker. It's another good thing about the corporate vehicles. They do not allow smoking inside them. But interior looks darn near brand new. And then the back seats here, got the jump seats. These are the vinyl. Very easy to clean if you get a spill or any liquids on them. Just a little different layout for those of you that aren't real familiar with these vans. You got your rear air controls there as well. And when I go to start up the van, you can see 19,476 miles on it. Fires right up. All the dummy lights work and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on here, no airbag, no ABS lights. Got our backup camera, like I mentioned earlier. Just wanted to show you that works fine. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power, mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you the mirrors and windows working right now so you can see for yourself. We tested all the brakes, heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, brakes, tires, taking these on a road test, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we do not just run these through the car wash. I'm even showing you the back vents back there. We don't run these through the car wash like a lot of dealers and just throw them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, we got the 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any rust, from being up north, no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, they assume because it only has 19,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good, they assume it's never been in a bad accident. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. Did you know that new car dealerships get flooded all the time? Yeah, the water doesn't care. There are tons of brand new vehicles out there with flood damage that you're not told about. So no matter who you do business with, go check out the competition. I don't care if it's another dealer. I don't care if it's a private individual. They show you the undercarriage, so you know you got a vehicle that's got no frame damage, no signs of any water damage. Do they show you the reputation online, so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see how clean it is underneath there, no signs of damage? Do they get pictures and detailed video of the roof? You have no idea how many vehicles I see at auction that have tons of damage on the roof, or they have screw holes in the roof from being a former taxi, and because nobody looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So make sure you get that checked out. And tell me what happens if you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual, or you buy a van that's got frame damage, whether it be from an accident or from flood damage, and it won't pass inspection in your state. In both those cases, and in many more other cases, if you can't title it, you can't drive it, you just bought a paperweight. So to avoid that and so many more issues, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a $80 handbag off Amazon. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second of all, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I pay that money because Carfax has the best VIN search, VIN inspections as well. So I pay the extra money because I want the best. You should too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from. Check out their reputation and reviews. We've already gone over this a little bit, folks. It takes 30 seconds to look somebody up on Google. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't you be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, it's just out of the factory warranty specs, but comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. See, the roof looks good up there. I'll show you the roof. Let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. The steering wheel is nice and straight. Gets up to 70 miles an hour. No problems. Runs and drives darn near like a brand new van. Very nice. Very clean. Got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. Do keep in mind we offer a 90-day complimentary warranty at no charge to you. We do have long-term warranties. Factory type, almost bumper-to-bumper type warranties. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee. They got document fees. They got tag fees. They got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all their hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. Now, as I give the van a brake coming down this ramp here, nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text message, here it is, 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That's a direct line to call or text my cell phone. Text is the best. You can get a hold of us much quicker if you text. You can shoot us a call though if you need to. These voicemails get so backed up, it's hard to keep up on them. Shoot us that text if you can. And I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to the owner. Or do you have to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like a number by all these big companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that aggressive, pushy, used car salesman. Give us a call, give us a text. I'll walk you through start to finish. And I promise you, absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. I guess we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We can make a call over to you and take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. We can explain how that works. And if you ever would like to come in and see our inventory, we welcome that. Please make sure you make an appointment with us. We've got 3 different locations. We hold vans. We need to get all the vans situated where you can come see them all in one place. Your time is valuable, so is ours. Please make that appointment with us. Let's maximize each other's time, work together to do so. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase. So I'm trying to be detailed as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this of each van, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures, so you know exactly what you're getting, all with no hidden fees, from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks so much for visiting us at mobility316.com, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call or text us today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for checking us out.